How to check graphics card memory size on Windows 11. There are two easy ways to check graphics card memory size on Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Using System Settings. Press the Windows button and select the settings icon. Select System on the left pane. Select Display. Scroll down, click on Advanced Display. Under Display Information, you'll see the Display Adapter Properties information. Click on it. Look for dedicated graphics memory. It's the external graphics card you have installed on your PC. Method 2. Using the DirectX Diagnostic tool. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on the taskbar. Type DXDiag in the search bar and select it from the search results. Click Yes to confirm. Once the DirectX Diagnostic tool opens, go to the Display tab. Under Device, you will see the name of your graphics card. Under Approx Total Memory, you'll see the amount of VRAM that your graphics card has. And that's how you can check graphics card memory size on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.